Hello everyone, this is Theodiya Bee Farm. So today I am in my apiary to do some installation of hives that I brought here yesterday. You can see them behind me. You can see them. So I brought some hives here yesterday evening that I couldn't install. So today, this morning, I'm here again with my cousin to make sure that I install all the hives. So let me just show you. So this is my apiary. Some boxes have been colonized here, and these are the boxes that I'm going to install. So here are the boxes that I will install today. There are about 12 boxes here, with this Kenya top bar, KTB. That is for my little cousin who always helps me out when I'm not around to do inspection. So that is for him to start up his own. So that's his KTB there. So these ones are going to be installed this morning, and they have already been baited yesterday, and we brought them here. These are the stands. These are the iron stands. So these are some of the hives that have been here already inside the bush. You can see them bees. You can see them chilling. Here's another one with super. You can also see the bees. You can see them. This one have not been colonized yet. It needs rebaiting, cleaning and rebaiting, because I can see ants. This one also have not been colonized. This one is colonized and have been harvested. We've harvested from this one. This is the second box that got colonized before the other ones. So basically what we're going to do today is just to install these boxes here. So first of all, this is another box that has been colonized. I see the bees flying around. So we are going to clear around where areas we are going to put the box. I don't want to cluster them. I don't want the boxes to be tightly clustered, so I'll space them out a bit. So that's why we have to clear around the bushes first before any installation. So after that, I'm going to see you guys to show you the extent I've gone with the installation of the boxes. Stay tuned. So as you can see, we have finished doing the installation. Let me just take the camera around. We have total of 20 boxes inside this apiary. These red ones are the new ones. The wood I use is a Camwood. That's why they are red. It's a red wood. We call it Uhie in Igbo. Yoruba calls it Oshun. So in case if you want to get a hive, you can go for the wood. It's a good one. There are other ones. You have mahogany, you have obeche, you have what do you call it, iroko, and the rest of them. You can Google and find out the woods that are good for the construction. This is my G. I don't play with this dude here, man. He always helps me out. He's always there for me. So, yes, I have something I want to plant here. Odara. The sweetest of them all. That's what he's trying to bring out. The sweetest of them all. That is African star apple. So I want to plant them here. It can take like 7 years before they start producing. I don't care. Because this apiary is a long-term project. It's not a short-term project. It's going to be a permanent site for them. So whenever the thing grows. Not that I'm not going to plant any other flowering plants around. We still have some catcher boxes. That way we are going to look for where we are going to put them. I came here with like 4 catcher boxes. We still install this one. These are the catcher boxes. So we still find somewhere, if not today, some other day. So that's it. 20 hives here. I still have space up here. There's still an empty land here that I will still use to expand when the time comes, probably by the end of this year. Let me deal with this one. Don't forget I still have another apiary in Ogun State, Odobolu, where I have 7 boxes, 4 already colonized. 2 came through bucket trap, swamp bucket trap. 2 boxes was colonized. So after adding them up, I have 4 boxes there. That is as at the last time I went there. I don't know what is happening now. Probably when I get back, I'll go and check to see if the others have been colonized. So that is it for today's hive installation in Theodiya Bee Farm. If you are just joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash that subscribe button so that anytime we drop any update, you will get it. So I forgot to say, I have faced their entrances towards southeast or east. That is this way. The old ones, I faced them northwest. I don't know why. But now I decided to face these ones southeast. So I don't want to start disturbing this one. I managed to face it southeast. So, but I don't want to start disturbing these other ones. Maybe I will try and see if I can shift their entrances, but let me leave them. Let me not disturb them. Already a bee is releasing a pheromone in front of my face. I'm perceiving it for others to come, but I'm not aggressive to them. So they are not going to harm me, even though I'm fully kitted. You can see I'm fully kitted. So that is me in my apiary.